Hello, welcome to Public News. The news read by Raman Bro. For the first time in the history of Iran, the red flag has been hoisted over the dome of Khourang Mosque. Some student in Delhi injured during attack by suspected ABVP goons on JNU campus. First T20 match delayed due to heavy rainfall in Guwahati. Assam icon Zubin Garg postponed his film work in view of Citizenship Amendment Act protest. Hello, welcome to Public News. The news read by Raman Bro. For the first time in the history of Iran, the red flag has been hoisted over the dome of Khourang Mosque, which means Iran has traditionally announced a war. This matter has got very serious now. Some student in Delhi injured during attack by suspected ABVP goons on JNU campus. Brinal Bora, a student from Assam currently studying in New Delhi, was beaten up by suspected Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad ABVP members during a brutal attack at the Jawaharlal Nehru University JNU. The JNU students have alleged that ABVP goons have gone on a rampage inside a campus, beating up students with iron rods, stones and weapons. ABVP students shouting "Desh ke gaddaron ko goli maro salo ko." According to some students, the people are being beaten while the cops are watching on like mere spectators. Earlier, JNU students leader Aisha Ghostu was brutally attacked. Pictures of the students leader bleeding profusely are now doing the rounds on social media. Ghost has informed that she has been brutally attacked by masked goons. Now the students of JNU are assembling outside the main gate to stop the reign of terror, supposedly unleashed by the ABVP, the students' arm of BJP. And these events are happening in the midst of nationwide protests, which have been triggered after the passing of the Citizenship Amendment Act by the BJP-led parliament. The students of JNU too have been participating in the protest, and recently they carried out a procession demanding the release of Assam peasant leader Akhil Gogoi and others who have been arrested amidst the protest which initially began in the northeast Indian states. First T20 match delayed due to heavy rainfall in Guwahati. The first match of India-Sri Lanka T20 tie has been delayed due to heavy rain in Guwahati. The match was scheduled at 7 p.m. yesterday. Thousands of spectators had gathered at the Barsapara Stadium in Guwahati to support the home team amid the gloomy environment of the Citizenship Amendment Act protest and the government's efforts to garner support for the same. However, the match was delayed due to the bad weather. A ground inspection was carried out at 9 p.m. yesterday. Assam icon Zubin Garg postponed his film work in view of Citizenship Amendment Act protest. Assam's music icon Zubin Garg has announced to postpone the work of his upcoming films in view of the ongoing Citizenship Amendment Act. Addressing a Citizenship Amendment Act protest rally organized by the Artist Society of Assam, Zubin said that he has already postponed all his work for his upcoming films and will be only going out for a documentary film he has been working on. He said, "I have already postponed all my films till December. I will only go out for a documentary, but I will be engaged with the Andolan against the Citizenship Amendment Act from outside." Zubin also said that if needed, an alternative government will certainly be formed and the people of Assam have to be very alert while choosing it. It may be mentioned here that thousands of protesters joined the rally against the Citizenship Amendment Act on Sunday that started from Dr. Bhupen Hazarika's Samadhi Yatra in Guwahati's Jalukbaris to Dighali Pukhuri. That's the end of the news. Thank you. Have a nice day.